Hello everyone, this is Harless58 signing on to do a unboxing, sort of first initial impressions of the Insignia True Wireless Stereo Earbuds. If you guys don't know, Insignia is sort of a subsidiary of Best Buy. They make and create their own products and they sell them. So these are on sale for $129.99 at Best Buy. I saw them in the store and I figured I'd pick them up. The biggest issue that I've had, if you guys have seen any of my unboxing sort of review and reviews of these true wireless stereo earbuds, is their ability to stay in the ear. The Jaybird runs were very good, really good sound quality, but they just kept falling out of my ear. Some of the other ones that I tried, they didn't stay in the ear. I tried the Samsung Gear Icon X, the 2018 version. Those were really good. They stayed in the ear. Sound quality was pretty good. But then, they're supposed to be water resistant, and as I started to sweat, they stopped, working. The left ear, the volume got really low and sort of sporadic. Returned them, got another pair, and the same thing happened. So I've been on my quest to just find a really good true wireless earbud. The other Jaybird, the Freedom 2s and the X3s are really good headphones, and I don't have an issue with them, but I just want something that's truly wireless. So on my quest to find the perfect true wireless stereo earbuds, I found these and I figured I'd give them a try. Because this sort of has the outer ear protection, it should stay in the ear. Says it's water resistant. Hopefully it is. The only thing I'm really worried about is the sound quality. I actually purchased the JL Lab Truly Wireless earbuds maybe like 3 days ago. Put them in my ear for the first time and they sucked. So I took them back. So, yeah, I didn't do an unboxing video for that, unfortunately. I apologize, guys. I really haven't been doing much unboxing videos in general. This third year residency's been pretty hectic. So let's go ahead and take this. Like I said, these were $129.99. Let's see if I can get these out without breaking anything. This is like a hard plastic type shell. You guys really can't tell from the outside, but it's not soft plastic. Slides out like that. Sort of cool little design here, and then it sort of pops right open. So here we have this. So this is like the charging docking case. Assuming this is gonna have the cord. I will say, first impression just from the box and quality looks pretty good. This is USB type A to micro USB here. Okay. The quality, like I said, does seem pretty decent just from the packaging. Okay. This is actually pretty hefty. Feels solid. Feels good. So open it up. How do I open it up? Open it from the front. It's like a clasp. And they sit in there and that's how they charge. So I believe that this has additional battery life inside of it. So the headphones can be fully charged and you place them inside the dock and you can get additional power. Let's see, does this say anything at all? Features. Battery lasts up to 5 hours during music playback. Portable charging case gives your earbuds gives extra battery life. 15 additional hours. Okay, water resistant. Cool. I mean, you guys saw the rest of that. So now let's see the actual headphones. This is one, and this is the other. So these headphones feel pretty, decent quality. I wish I had my other, looking for my Jaybird runs. Hold on one second. So, just for comparison, the Jaybird runs here. So you look at that and you look at this. So, obviously bigger because they go over the ear, but the actual in-ear part looks relatively comparable. Also, the other issue that I've been having with the Jaybird runs are they're more recently, I don't know if it's because they're not really water resistant, but if I'm having them in my ear, they'll just shut off all by themselves. Like, especially if after I've been working out for a while, they're slipping out of my ear, because I'm getting sweaty. They just shut off at around 80%. I've contacted Jaybird for support and they've yet to reach back out to me. And it's really sad because these are really good headphones and I've had them for less than a year. And I mean, they're pretty expensive too. I paid like $200 for these. So yeah, so that's just, sorry, this sort of turned into a long-term review of the Jaybird runs and the just unboxing of the Insignia True Wireless headphones. So I will go ahead and put this inside my ear, see how it fits. Fits pretty snugly inside the ear. Um, yeah, actually fits really good inside the ear. They feel very secure on the ear. Um, I'll do on my review video, I'll, sort of show you guys what it fits like and give you my impressions of them, but they fit really good in the ear. And I think, obviously the over the ear gives you a little bit more secureness if anyone else is looking for that. Maybe I have weird shaped ears, I don't know. But usually the Jaybird headphones fit me. And like I said, these fit me initially, but just over time, I don't know, they're not as secure. So sorry, this turned into a long-term review and also sort of like initial impressions of the Insignia True Wireless Insignia True Wireless Bluetooth headphones. I will give you guys my review maybe after I've had these for about a week. I recently purchased the X3s and also the Jaybird Freedom 2s. I might do an unboxing video of the Freedom 2s as well. Sure, I'll do. Why not? I got it. So this is Hollis 58 signing off. See you guys in the next one. Peace.